Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Welcome back, beta, again to discussing about the chapter number 8. This is short run equilibrium and output. We have completed all the theoretical part of this chapter. Only few numerical part is left. Today we will complete numerical part also, and for the Sunday homework you have to complete all the numerical questions from your book. Okay, dear students, so now let's start. So we are studying our chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 is short run equilibrium and output. Okay, so now move to the next point. Today we are going to start numerical question, and here is the numerical question. Yes, dear students, if you are watching videos regularly, so I think the last video yesterday you have completed 4 questions. So in this question we also discuss about the numerical part. So now question number 16, given the consumption function c equals to 150 plus 0.6y when c stand for the consumption function, y investment एक्सपेंडिचर दैट इज 2000 कैलकुलेट. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. अब हमारे पास दो चीज़ें हमें गिवन है. सी मीन्स कंजम्पशन इज गिवन, कंजम्पशन फंक्शन इज गिवन, और फ्रॉम द कंजम्पशन फंक्शन वी कैन कैलकुलेट टू थिंग्स. सी बार that is 150 because the formula is c equals to c bar plus mpcy. Okay, mpcy. Clear, dear students? Okay, so now c bar is 150, mpc is 0.6. Remind this thing in your mind and now solve the next point. Yes. So we have to calculate 3 things: equilibrium level of income, national income; second, consumption at equilibrium level of national income. It means this is only consumption function, it is not complete consumption. We have to calculate c. Okay, and third one we have to calculate saving at equilibrium level of national income. Okay, dear students? Okay, now let's start with the answer. Given, what is given in the question? C function 150 plus 0.6y. Investment expenditure, it means I is already given, that is 2000. So at equilibrium level we know that y equals to AD. Okay, and AD means C plus I. So now take here C plus I. This is very important question, dear student. So at equilibrium level y equals to C plus I. So take y as it is. इंस्टेंट ऑफ सी की जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हो बेटा? सी की जगह सी बार प्लस एम पी सी वाई. ओके, विच इज गिवन. सो नाउ सी बार 150, ओके, एम पी सी 0.6, वाई प्लस आई फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 2000. Clear? So it means this is your C bar plus MPCY, and this is your investment. C plus I is completed. So now solve the question. 0.6y, we will change the direction, y minus 0.6y because y is already given here. So we will deduct 0.6y from the y, and here 2000 plus 150 is 2150. So y minus 0.6 means 0.4y equals to 2150. Now y equals to 2150 upon 0.4. The answer is 5375. This is your required income which you have calculated from the formula, that is y equals to 5375. Getting? So now C will be, now put the value of y in the consumption function. Consumption function is given here. C equals to 150 plus 0.6, and for in place of y you can write 5375. Clear? 5375. Now multiply 0.6 with the 5375. The answer is 3225. Now add both the values. 150 plus 0.325, 3225 equals to 3375. So now y is calculated, c you have calculated. Okay, so now s equals to y माइनस सी. इनकम में से कंजम्पशन हटाइए तो आपके पास क्या बचेगा? आपके पास बचेंगी सेविंग्स. और अल्टीमेट रिमाइंड द सेकेंड फॉर्मूला. दिस इज योर given formula. Second formula, in the equilibrium level S equals to I. This is your second approach. And investment is 2000, then saving will be 2000. Simplest. So this is the alternate method you can apply here. This is the alternate method. Okay, so there is no use to attend both the formulas. You can apply a simple formula y equals to c plus s and s equals to y minus consumption, that is 2000. और आप ये याद रखिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट इक्वल्स टू इनकम. जो इनकम है वो किसके इक्वल होती है? इन्वेस्टमेंट के इक्वल होती है. Okay, dear student. So now move to the next question. Yes, dear student. Yes. The saving, question number 13, the saving function of an economy. Now in this question, in the last question consumption function was given, but in this question saving function is given. Okay, so now the economy's equilibrium level income, it means y already given here, y is 2000. Okay, in the last question investment was given, but in this question income is given. So now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate three things: investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income, and second autonomous consumption, and third we have to calculate investment multiplier. It means K we have to calculate. Clear? And autonomous consumption means C bar we have to calculate, and investment expenditure means I we have to calculate. Clear, dear student? So two things are given in the question. What? S function minus 200 plus 0.25y, and y is given 2000. So at equilibrium level we know that S equals to I. This is our second approach. Okay, so now put the values. S equals to I for S minus 200, which is given here, plus 0.25y equals to I. I is already given. No, I is not given. We have to calculate I. So अब I किसके इक्वल होगा बेटा? इनकम given है. So now solve the saving function. I equals to minus 200 plus 0.25, और now multiply y as 2000 because it is given in the question. Y की वैल्यू given है, तो y को हम क्या लेंगे? 2000 लेकर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So now I equals to minus 200 plus 500. It will be 300. Okay. So now investment is 300. Okay, clear? Yes, dear students. So now investment expenditure at equilibrium level is simply given, that is 200. 300 investment we have calculated 300. Okay, but they want that when इनकम इज जीरो. अगर इनकम जीरो है तो उस टाइम सेविंग्स कितनी होगी? सपोज अगर हम ये कैलकुलेट, क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर एट इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल तो हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है, बट ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. सो वी विल कैलकुलेट इट. ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन मीन्स अगर इनकम जीरो है उस टाइम जो हम कंजम्पशन करते हैं दैट इज ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन. सो उस टाइम पर ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन और सेविंग्स इक्वल होते हैं, बट सेविंग जीरो माइनस में होती है और कंजम्पशन पॉजिटिव. कैसे? सपोज इनकम इज जीरो, कंजम्पशन इज सपोज 200. सो सेविंग कितनी होगी बेटा? y माइनस सी. इट मीन्स जीरो माइनस 200 मीन्स माइनस 200. क्लियर? तो इट मीन्स वैल्यूज आर सेम, बट द डिफरेंस फॉर द ओनली साइन. So C bar equals to minus S bar, that is 200, which is given here. Okay, so second point is calculated. Third point, now move to the third point, and third point is investment multiplier. Investment multiplier, we have simple formula for investment multiplier. K equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC or 1 upon MPS, because 1 minus MPC means MPS. MPS already given. Minus 200 plus 0.25 means MPS, because the saving function is minus C bar plus MPS or Y. Clear? MPS or Y. So MPS is given 0.25. So look at here, 1 upon 0.25 means 4. Okay, so investment expenditure is 300. We have already calculated with the formula by the second approach, S equals to I. Okay, now second autonomous investment equals to minus C bar equals to C bar. Okay, yes. Next is investment multiplier K. We have calculated 1 upon MPS with the formula of 1 upon MPS. Okay, dear students. So these kind of questions can be asked for 4 marks in CBSE exam, even in your home exam also, like pre-boards and essay 1, essay 2 and your UTs. So beta, prepare well. So your numerical part is over. Okay, so any kind of doubts you can ask Today onward the timing is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and already timetable is given to you, so follow up dear students that timetable and accordingly send the works to the respective subject teachers. Okay dear students, so this is enough for the day. Okay, for the any query you can send message and you can call me. Okay, so God bless you, stay at home, stay safe.